Stop scrolling through endless furniture catalogs that all look the same. What if I told you the most stunning spring transformation for your home won't come from a warehouse store, but from the forgotten treasures hiding in estate sales and antique markets just minutes from your house? Today, we're revealing curated ways to style your entire home with vintage finds that cost a fraction of designer pieces while delivering 10 times the character. Welcome to Daily Home Trends, where we prove that sustainable design doesn't mean sacrificing style. Before we dive into these transformative ideas, hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us keep sharing authentic design inspiration that celebrates craftsmanship and heritage. One, entryway foundations. Let's start where every guest's first impression begins, your entryway. The key to a welcoming foyer lies in choosing pieces with genuine history. Picture an aged pine cabinet from the 1800s, its original paint worn and distressed through generations of use. This isn't manufactured distressing. This is authentic patina that tells a real story. Layer in galvanized metal containers brimming with seasonal blooms like fragrant lilacs, and you've created an unexpected marriage of industrial grit and natural beauty. This layered approach to entry styling demonstrates how thrifted elements can anchor a space while keeping your design flexible and budget-friendly. The beauty of vintage pieces is their versatility. They transition seamlessly through seasons with simple styling adjustments. Two, living room layers. Moving into the living spaces, we encounter the heart of vintage collecting, upholstered furniture with real bones. Consider the timeless appeal of an English-style rolled arm sofa. When you dress it with hand-embroidered cushions featuring delicate floral motifs, you're adding texture and dimension that speaks to quality craftsmanship. Professional staging experts increasingly recommend mixing vintage leather seating, think warm, caramel-toned pieces with natural wear, against aged area rugs showing graceful fading. This combination creates visual weight and permanence in a room, making spaces feel collected over time rather than purchased in a single shopping trip. For those planning major home updates or considering financing options for renovations, here's professional insight. The highest impact improvements often come from these thoughtfully selected vintage accent pieces rather than expensive overhauls. A $200 antique chair can elevate a room more effectively than a $2,000 contemporary sectional lacking character. I'm curious, what's your best thrift store discovery? What treasure did you rescue that now has pride of place in your home? Share in the comments below. Three, kitchen character. The kitchen deserves special attention as the room where daily life unfolds. This is where vintage collecting becomes both beautiful and functional. Heavy ceramic pitchers, salt-glazed stoneware, and vintage serving pieces weren't merely decorative when they were made. They were kitchen workhorses built to last generations. Here's a simple high-impact idea. Fill a substantial vintage crock with branches of spring blossoms. Apple or cherry branches work beautifully, creating an organic focal point on your kitchen island or counter. This approach embodies the slow living movement, intentional choices that connect us to seasonal rhythms and natural beauty. Copper cookware, wooden kitchen tools, and antique storage containers each contribute to a layered, collected aesthetic that feels organic rather than staged. These aren't styling tricks. They're design principles rooted in authenticity and sustainability. Four, bedroom sanctuary. In the bedroom, vintage selections create intimate, personal spaces. A wrought iron bed frame paired with stacked vintage quilts offers both visual interest and genuine comfort. For homeowners thinking long-term about protecting valuable possessions or considering insurance for heirloom pieces, vintage textiles represent meaningful family history worth preserving. These handmade quilts and coverlets aren't just bedding. They're textile art created with intention and skill that modern manufacturing rarely replicates. Their value extends beyond monetary worth into cultural and family significance. Five, bathroom elegance. Even utilitarian spaces like bathrooms benefit from vintage touches. A classic clawfoot tub paired with a vintage wooden ladder repurposed for towel storage instantly evokes the charm of historic countryside inns. These simple additions transform ordinary bathrooms into retreat-like spaces without major renovations. The beauty of this approach lies in its accessibility. You don't need contractor-level budgets to create spa-worthy ambiance. You need imagination and willingness to see potential in overlooked pieces. Six, outdoor living spaces. Finally, let's discuss porches, sunrooms, and transitional spaces where indoor comfort meets outdoor freshness. Vintage wicker furniture, particularly statement pieces like peacock chairs or painted settees, creates instant personality in these areas. Dress them with faded floral fabrics that show gentle wear. This isn't damage, it's desirable patina. Use galvanized buckets and containers for oversized floral arrangements. Consider repurposing architectural salvage pieces like old garden gates as wall organizers or decorative elements. These spaces invite us to slow down and appreciate seasonal changes. They're reminders that beautiful living doesn't require constant acquisition of new things. It requires thoughtful curation of meaningful objects. As we wrap up this tour through spring styling ideas using vintage and thrifted finds, here's my challenge. Visit your local antique market or estate sale this weekend. Approach it with fresh eyes, looking beyond surface condition to see potential and history. You're not simply buying furniture or decor. You're preserving craftsmanship, honoring history, and creating a home that reflects genuine character rather than catalog conformity. If this video inspired even one idea for your own space, hit that like button. Subscribe to Daily Home Trends for more timeless design content that proves style and sustainability can coexist beautifully. Thank you for being part of our community. Here's to a spring filled with meaningful finds and beautiful spaces.